chocolate and pharma. And it's going to be very much interesting because you are a research-based person, I guess. So because you have whole career in pharma mostly, right?
Yes, you are right, Aarti. Yes, what you said very much. My from day one, my passion was in pharma, where I have done, matlab almost all the degrees which are possible in pharma. I have tried my best to do it. Say diploma and all, graduation, everything. I have tried my best to do it. Pharma is one thing where I always wanted to do something in pharmaceutical, because that is where it's very critical for every human being, not only human being, but all living creatures. So pharma plays a very important role. So I think, Aarti, let's start with this.
Yes, and to support you, sir, let me uh, give my audience this introduction about me also, that I am also from pharma background, but my passion drives me towards tonkits. So our audience are joining, sir. Our Tom kids are also joining. The kids are also joining. Hi, Jay. A very warm welcome to our show. Hi, Meenakshi. It's going to be wonderful, sir. As many of audience are joining us.
I think it's sharp 4:30, Aarti. Let's start with our talk show. Aarti,
Yes.
yes, you can.
Yes. So welcome all wonderful audience, lovely audience, beautiful audience, and more. I can say the chocolate lover, because it's all about chocolate. The curiosity I have created from last week. So many people are looking forward to know all about their favorite thing, and that is none other than chocolate. So better I can say, sir, this is the, we can call it as a chocolate evening.
Why not? Absolutely, it's a chocolate evening. So let's talk all
Chocolate,
about
chocolates,
chocolate.
chocolates. Yes. So Tonkits in association with Disha Chocolates welcome you all in the chocolate evening. आज की शाम चॉकलेट के नाम. अगर आपके हाथ में चाय है, कॉफी है, so just enjoy that along with all information about chocolate. So you can enjoy your chocolate without any worry. Because चॉकलेट खाते वक्त खाते तो है, बहुत पसंद है, पर बहुत सारे दिमाग में क्वेश्चंस चलते रहते हैं. So Deepak sir is all here to answer our questions.
Thank you, Aarti, to inviting me here on this wonderful platform. I am very eager, even I am eager to answer you all, and I am very eager to interact with our audiences today. And whatever I have got the knowledge, whatever I have got the experience about the chocolate, let me share with you all. Yes, Aarti, let's go ahead.
Yes. So, dear all, dear audience, dear friends, once again, myself, Aarti Malpani, welcome you all to the talk show in associate Tom Kids in association with Disha Chocolate. And I do a warm welcome to our guest Deepak Ji Toshniwal. Let me have, there are so many things I can talk about Deepak sir. But because the show is about chocolate, so Deepak sir is going to talk about chocolate much. But in a very few 2 minutes, I would like to introduce Deepak sir. May I, sir?
Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Okay, so Deepak sir is all having a rich experience of 24 years in national and international business in pharma. He is responsible. He launched the pharma products in more than 50 countries, and he was also country head in one of Spanish company. If I'm not wrong, yes, sir?
You're right. You're absolutely right.
Yes. Apart from that, now sir is CEO associated with Disha Chocolate, that is a pure Indian company. So that's why sir is here to answer all our questions about chocolate. And apart from this, sir is author of the very book, very much about all about chocolate, the book called Civilization of Chocolate, where sir has tried to cover the many things. I mean, he started from the history of chocolate because there are so many things in our history about chocolate, right, sir?
Absolutely right. I'm going to talk about that book also, Aarti. I'm definitely going to tell. First of all, thank you so much for introducing me. A brief introduction about myself. That's fantastic, Aarti. It's privilege to be here, privilege and honor to be here, so that we can talk about chocolate, which is the most passionate thing about me in this era.
Yes, and one more thing I would like to add about this is the something very few things I told about sir regarding his professional life. But जब बात आती है social चीजें करने की, help करने की, तो sir is always in front. So congratulations, sir, and yes, sir is awarded recently with the Surya Gaurav Award, the international award that is for Korean COVID warriors. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are very true. Very true. It's very right.
And once again, the very we are so much. I'm so much honored. I'm so much glad that the person who is holding the Guinness Book record for the maximum organ donation pledge is with me, is with us on our talk show. Is it so, sir?
Thank you so much. Yes, Aarti, I was part of that organ donation pledges from our Pune part, and yes, we Guinness. It's an honor to be a part of Guinness Book World Record. Yes, that's a privilege to be there.
Hi Khushbu, hi Rohit. All our wonderful audience are joining us, and I'm so much happy to welcome you all to the chocolate evening. So, sir, I would like to have, or our audience would like to have, to know something about your journey. What drives you crazy towards the chocolate? That from pharma industry, you are now CEO with your own company, Disha Chocolates.
Okay, Aarti, that's a very interesting question where I would love to answer that. First and foremost thing is, yes, there's a small story behind that. But before going to that story, I would like to tell you that I have done research on chocolates. I have studied on chocolates. I have done, you can say, you always use two words when I tell about these chocolates. I have tasted and tested most of the brands of the world. I have tested and tested the chocolates of all the brands of the world, where I have tried to study what is chocolate, because we all are fond of chocolates. Whenever we see brown and sweet, we think it's a chocolate. But there is many things it's there. So when I studied and when I came to know all the features, what are the features, what are the ingredients, what are the things in the chocolates, that prompted me that I should enter into this manufacturing industry. So yes, that I'll be telling you about that. With due respect to most of the chocolates in the world or in India, most of the chocolates, they are all caramel based. So those, the caramel means burnt sugar. So what I suggest is chocolate is one thing which is not supposed to be of that, where the major part is something else. So I think I'm waiting for the question where Aarti is going to ask me, and let me see if I can answer that.
Yes. So, sir, in short, I can understand you also a chocolatier, or yourself is a chocolate lover, right?
Of course, I see, unless and until I have that passion. Yes, I have, as I said, I have tasted most of the brands. Yeah, but fortunately, unfortunately, I am a vegetarian. I am a pure
Okay.
vegetarian, and I manufacture only vegetarian chocolates.
Oh,
Only
that is
pure
wonderful.
vegetarian chocolate. That's my passion, and I don't want to use anything non-veg right now. I'm going to have only vegetarian chocolates. I have tasted many brands of the world, many brands, but which are vegetarian.
Okay, that itself sounds so interesting, sir, that you have tasted so many chocolates around the world. Because I mean, in local market, even when I go to supermarket and whatever the limited varieties are there, I even cannot stop myself buying all those. So I think it may be a very wonderful experience with you that you have tasted all these chocolates.
Yes, the first and foremost thing, let me tell you about where the chocolate comes from. Where the
Yes,
chocolate comes from and how it comes from. So, friends, if I can tell you, chocolate is one thing which many people, in fact, 99% of the people don't know from where the chocolate comes or the origin of the chocolate. The
right.
origin of the chocolate is a fruit. You will not believe it. The
Oh
origin
my
of
God.
the fruit, it's a cocoa fruit. This cocoa fruit is widely grown in Africa, Latin America, Indonesia, and some parts of Kerala. So this is a fruit-based product. So chocolate, we think it's only a chocolate. No, it's a fruit-based product. I'm going to tell you mostly everything about the chocolate, how it comes and how is it made.
I mean, the session becomes even more interesting that from the healthiest thing the chocolate come from. We never thought of such things कि fruit से chocolate बन सकता है.
So
And our
let
audience
us
also
ask our let us ask our audience if they are interested to know how this chocolate is made and from where it is made.
yes,
Are they interested? If they are interested, let me see if they are putting in the chat box.
yes, all wonderful audience. There are so many people joining us. Avinash, welcome. Amol, welcome. Shukarbia, welcome. Khushbu, welcome. All wonderful audience are there. Once again, I welcome you all to the chocolate evening, all my chocolate lovers. So yes, if you are curious to know more about chocolate, the thing your kids are loving, you loving. So if you are eager to know all about chocolate, quickly type yes in the chat box or in the comment section. We are looking forward. We want your energy. Yes, so many yes we are having, sir, here, and people
Fantastic.
are really eager to know. So let's make this discussion more.
Is my video live on Facebook? I am not able to see that. Can you check, Aarti?
Your image is there and it's paused in between. I guess as of a technical issue.
But it's going on. Are you able to hear my voice there?
Yes, yes, perfectly fine, sir.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Welcome, Meena. Welcome, Neha. Welcome, Vidhi. All are there. All are there, sir. So, sir, a very warm hi or a very warm welcome for my audience from Chocolate King.
Yeah, thank you so much, Aarti. That's fine. So, okay, friends, now I would like to tell you more about how the chocolates are made. It is the cocoa fruit from where the chocolates are made. The chocolates are made from the cocoa fruit. From there are the beans. The beans which are there in cocoa fruit from where the chocolate is made. That is the cocoa or the dark chocolate, you call it as the milk chocolate, you call it as. That is the cocoa from where it's made. And so the types of chocolates which are there are white, milk, dark. These are mostly the base type of the chocolates, where the dark chocolate is made out of pure cocoa beans, which is made from pure cocoa beans. Where milk chocolate is a mix of cocoa and milk products. Cocoa and milk products. It is mixed of that. And surprisingly, now you'll come to know how the white chocolate is made. White
Yes.
chocolate is never made from the beans. The white chocolate is never made from the beans. It is made from the cocoa butter. These are made from the cocoa butter. That is the discoloration is there. So this is how these are the three types of chocolates which are actually there in the market, or which are the actual chocolates.
Okay, so it's chocolate is come nothing but from the fruit. So this is very
Yes.
interesting. So we are looking forward कि हम अब बच्चों का और मम्मियों का तालमेल कैसे बिठा सकते हैं सर चॉकलेट में, because being a mother even I am so much worried because kids have growing demand over the chocolates, and being a mama we are not able to allow them always. So is there anything in between कि मम्मियाँ भी खुश हो जाए बच्चे भी खुश हो जाए?
Okay, see Aarti, it is ऐसा नहीं है. So what you want to, I think you want to ask कि chocolates कितना देना सही है, कितना सारा देना सही है.
Yes, the question is, if you say, I mean, this is question from my most of the audience, how much is too much?
Okay, how much is too much? See, I'll tell you, chocolate is now, you know, it is a fruit-based product. First and foremost,
Right.
it is a fruit-based product. So when the fruit-based product is there, that is good. But the content, the sugar content in that, is the major problem which the kids can face. Because see, cocoa means the chocolate is never a threat to the children or to adult. But the sugar in that is the biggest problem. So first and foremost thing, let me tell you, most of the chocolates which are available in the market are caramel based. So I always tell a dentist ki the pure chocolate will never destroy your teeth or never damage your teeth. It's the caramel based chocolate which damages your teeth. So whenever you try to give to children, you can give the children the chocolate, whatever you want to give it, but try to see the sugar content in that. Try to see the fats in that. So that is the major thing. So most of the people, they try to buy candies and give. So now candies are really candies, you know how much to give it. Now when it is sugar, you know how much you should give it. So because when you give more sugar, the sugar gets into the blood, and then flushing is required. The flushing of more sugar is required. So that is the reason there is nothing like that कि हम sugar बच्चों को chocolate नहीं देना है. You can give as much as possible, but sugar content देके दो. The pure cocoa based chocolate देके दो. Now why this is important, I'll tell you. Chocolates के benefits also I'd like to tell you here today.
Yes.
Do you know chocolate is one thing, or the cocoa based chocolate is one which will help you. It is an antioxidant. It is an antioxidant in that the contains the antioxidant elements are there in cocoa based chocolate. So when you eat this chocolate, it helps you to lower your blood pressure if you are having a high blood pressure, or in other words, you can say it is a very cardiac friendly product. It helps to lower your blood pressure. It is an antioxidant. Do you know, Aarti, in earlier days, how did chocolate start? Chocolate started as a medicinal shot. They used to drink as a medicinal drink. Whoever used to have a high blood pressure, they used to give a chocolate as a cocoa as a medicinal drink. So, they were that time there was no sugar added in that in early days. They used to give a shot. You have to drink as a shot as a medicinal drink, and that could cure. That could cure slowly each and every day. So this is how the chocolate started.
Yes. So we can more say that ki chocolate are nothing but the medicinal agent in earlier days, right? And now it's something else that we all have looked at the chocolates in market.
See, I'll tell you one more thing, Aarti. See, this when the chocolates are medicinal thing, at the same time there are a lot of sugar added to increase the weight and to bring down the cost. So you should always try to say, even though still if you have asked me, always I can say 2 to 4 ounces. 2 to 4 ounces, that is up to around you can say from 60 to 120 grams are the ideal chocolate which you can give to anybody in a day. Which you can give it to anybody in a day.
Okay, sir, one question from our audience. Cocoa based chocolates कौन से market में है? Which are the mainly cocoa based chocolates? How we can identify? In fact, I can say.
See, there are labels are there. Whenever you buy a chocolate, there are labels are there, and also it differs from cocoa to cocoa also. Cocoa based, there are label which contains cocoa. There's written there cocoa, or what is the cocoa ingredients or percentage sometimes, but it differs from cocoa to cocoa also. The best cocoa comes from Africa. The next cocoa comes from Latin America. After that, the next best cocoa comes from Indonesia.
Okay. So, sir, is there any guideline to look at the label, or is there anything we should keep in our mind while buying the chocolate from supermarkets? कि sugar content, cocoa content. I mean, because we only see कि dark chocolate है या क्या है, हम सिर्फ taste देखते हैं, हमको वो जो ingredients होते हैं या nutty flavor है, वो हमको tempt करते हैं. But we are not actually, we never see actually कि जो देखना चाहिए शायद as a point of health. So, will you guide on this?
So first I told you caramel based product, try to reduce or avoid as much as possible. Try to use cocoa based products, number one. Number two, there is a sugar content in that. Try to see that sugar content. Based on that, you can always calculate what is the sugar content you are giving. Because see, chocolate is one thing, there is no problem how much you can eat, but I have told you what is the quantity you can eat. That is from 2 ounces to 4 ounces. That is 60 to 120 grams is the ideal things which you can have it. If you have more than that, you might be curious to know if you eat more than that, what is going to happen.
Yes.
So because if you eat more than that, what happens, I'll tell you. This cocoa contains, or the chocolate contains caffeine. जब भी हमको सुस्ती आती है या जब भी we are lazy or this thing, we try to have a coffee or a tea or a thumbs up.
Yes.
But similarly, because all these contains caffeine, similarly even chocolate contains caffeine. If you eat more chocolates, you will not get more sleep. You will not get sleep at all. Matlab sleep will not be there. Caffeine is one thing which
Yes.
is the relaxing factor, which will make you awake more longer. If you eat more than let's say 4 ounces, number one. Number two, it can create a lot of acidity.
Okay.
Number three, it can create a lot of acidity. And number four, because of sugar, not because of chocolate, because of sugar, you may increase your obesity level.
Yes, that is the major problem actually.
So it is not because of the cocoa fruit or the cocoa inside. It is because of the sugar content in that or the fat content in that. That is going to increase you the obesity part.
Okay. Okay. Sir, one very interesting question coming from our audience from Shankar Babu. Have you ever seen any kid who don't like chocolate? I mean, this is again question कि कुछ लोगों को पसंद होता है, कुछ को नहीं, तो ऐसे भी कोई लोग होते हैं जिनको चॉकलेट नहीं पसंद है?
नहीं, I'll tell
Any
you.
experience you have, sir?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. I'll tell you what happens. Some kids like dark flavor. Some like milk. Some like what do you call the flavor. Orange flavor chocolates. किसी को mango flavor chocolate पसंद है. And क्या होता है कभी कभी whoever is acidic, whoever has got a acidic stomach or acidic nature of body, तो उसको है ना चॉकलेट खाने के बाद थोड़ा सा इरिटेशन होता है, because it creates more of cocoa, it also creates acidity.
Yes.
So that time they say कि मुझे वो कभी तो भी one of the kid can say कि मुझे थोड़ा सा चॉकलेट ठीक नहीं लगता है.
Okay, okay. Yes, this could be the answer with one of our audience, Vijay Kumar. Is asking, is it right that consuming more chocolate leads to digestive problem?
No. Yeah, see, I'll tell you, as I said you, digestive problem कब होता है? When you become acidic. When you do eat more than 4 ounces or something, the cocoa, that can create acidity. When you create acidity, yes, there could be a digestion problem, because acidity can lead to digestion problem, nausea, vomiting. So ये रहता है, it is on a very, very high level I am talking.
Okay.
First of all, that much of chocolate, I don't think so many people can eat, but sometime if they eat, this is going to happen.
Okay. Sir, one more question coming from Salil. How do we know if chocolate is cocoa based or caramel based?
See, that is the real crux of the chocolate, identifying a chocolate. So that is what you need to identify. I cannot take the names of the brands which are there in the market. I cannot take the names. But what you need to study is the sugar-based, candy-based chocolates, cocoa-based chocolates, or healthy-based chocolate. Now, example, this coming week, I am going to launch iron chocolates, protein chocolates, omega-3 chocolates, calcium chocolates. So I am coming with a pack of energy immunity booster chocolates.
Okay, so chocolate can be used to boost immunity also, right?
100%.
Okay.
Why not? It contains, chocolate itself contains antioxidants.
Okay. That is very glad to know. In fact, our audience are glad to know all this information. So, sir, being one more question, I mean, this is from audience and this is from me also. कि चॉकलेट को हम बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं, राइट? हम चाहते हैं इजीली चॉकलेट लेके आते हैं एंड वी एंजॉय अ लॉट. बट बीइंग इन चॉकलेट इंडस्ट्री, व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस यू फेस टू गिव अस द फाइनेस्ट चॉकलेट, और जो टेस्टी आप लोग लेके आते हैं, क्या चैलेंजेस आपको फेस करने पड़ते हैं सर इस चीज में?
So what Mr. Salil asked also, one of that relates to here also. I'll tell you, because now biggest challenge is the costing. Because people are used to have the sugar-based candies or caramel-based chocolate, which are at low cost. Now, what I'm trying to give is, because based on my research and this thing, I'm trying to give you the cocoa-based chocolates. And people then expect, they want the cost to be of similar weight. But no, this is what I'm trying to, it's like a challenge where I need to bring awareness in people. I need to educate them. There is a difference between the sugar-based or caramel-based chocolates or a cocoa-based chocolates.
Okay.
So that is the reason, that is one of the challenge what I face. So that is the reason I try to do a lot of awareness programs, or I try to give education part on chocolates. What are actual chocolates? क्योंकि we many people, as I said, 99% people don't know where the chocolates come from, how it's made, what are the ingredients. This is very, very, very important.
Okay, okay. Sir, one more question related to this. Even I want, and this is coming from our audience also, कि चॉकलेट और दांत खराब होने का कितना कनेक्शन है और कितना सही है कि जब भी बच्चों के दांत खराब हो जाते हैं, we always blame chocolate.
So as I said earlier also, Aarti, ki I always tell a dentist also ki a pure cocoa based chocolate will never destroy your teeth or never damage your teeth. It is caramel based or sugar based chocolates which will damage your teeth, which can damage your teeth. अगर pure cocoa based chocolate है तो नहीं होता है. It can never
So
happen
it's
like that.
okay. So it's all about sir कि in nutshell what I understand and what our audience should understand is कि ये सब कोको का खेल है, right? कि chocolates are never damage anything. We need to look at the cocoa content, right?
Absolutely. It's the cocoa content or the base. See, there are two ways where the chocolate is made. One is cocoa, second is the cocoa butter. जैसा कि white chocolates है या फिर white में flavored chocolates है, they are made out of cocoa butter. And if you take dark chocolate or milk chocolate, they are made. Dark chocolate contains maximum cocoa, and where milk chocolate contains 50% of cocoa and 50% of milk solids.
Okay.
हाँ.
Okay, okay. So, sir, one question कि like it happens with me itself many times कि जब मैं एक बड़ा सा बार लेके आती हूँ चॉकलेट का, I eat half of them और कुछ खत्म होने के बाद उसको वैसे ही मैं या तो फ्रिज पे या तो कहीं प्लेटफॉर्म पे छोड़ देती हूँ, मे बी समटाइम्स इन फ्रिज, और जब 2 दिन बाद आता है तो देन आई ईट इट.
Okay, I understood.
So,
I understood your question. I think you are asking ki storage. What is the storage norms are there for chocolate? Okay.
Yes.
So let me come to you. See, not all chocolates are to be refrigerated, or not all chocolates are kept to be outside. So please try to read when you take a medicine, you should, when you read the behind the label, the storage, कि उसमें लिखा हुआ रहता है कि 18 to 25 degrees में रखो. And sometimes they write you can keep it in normal room temperature. Now, example, I have designed chocolate Ganesha this year. Eco-friendly chocolate Ganesha, what I did this year. So, because we every year pollute, we produce 5,000 metric tons of toxic waste. For by putting the Ganesha idol, we immerse in water, we throw it, we break it. So, what I did was, I created a chocolate Ganesha. Now I designed this chocolate Ganesha as per Indian temperature. So here you need not refrigerate. My instructions are that you need not refrigerate. You can just keep it in your normal temperature. You can shower whatever alad, cuckoo or flowers on that. Do puja on that because it's shrink wrap. And then after 45 days, you can take hot milk, do immersion in that, and distribute this as prasadam.
Okay, that is very wonderful things you have done. Actually, I mean this initiative we all should take. And so one more question from our young girl, our donkeys or from Vidhi, that कौन सा chocolate है जो हमको instant energy देता है और हमको immunity बढ़ाता है? Actually, yes, we are not going to talk about any brand here. Yes, sir. But the things you can enlist कि कौन से base का chocolate है जो हमको instant energy देता है, because it happens with girls, with teenagers also कि tuition classes जाते हैं, थक जाते हैं, so anything to give the quick energy.
See, example for that only I have created this energy booster or immunity booster chocolates, which contains iron or calcium, or nut-based chocolates. Nut-based chocolates are there, and even dark chocolate are also a good source of energy, because as I said, it contains caffeine. जब भी तुम chocolate खाते हो, you get a feel-good factor.
Yes.
You get a feel-good factor. So when you get a feel-good factor, that is what it is. What is feel-good factor? It contains caffeine and antioxidant.
Right.
So antioxidant and this thing. So that is what is there. They do that. So nut-based chocolates are very good source of energy. So that can be you can have, or even the pure dark or milk-based chocolate.
Okay. Okay. So these are something. Yes, Vidhi, I get you got your answer. Yes, Preeti, your question is how much quantity we should take at a time. That sir has already told us about the ounces. Right, sir? You have already covered this
I
question.
have told it. If you want, I can tell once again. It is from.
Yes,
It is from. I said it's from 2 ounces to 4 ounces. That is from.
2 ounces to 4 ounces.
So
Yes.
that's from 60 grams to 120 grams.
Yes, we more understand in terms of grams actually. So it's 60 to 100 grams, Preeti, and for all our audience that कि आप without worry you can eat 60 to 100 grams of chocolate. Yes, sir. If I'm right.
Yeah, 60 to 120 grams of chocolates you can eat it, but
Yes.
which are pure cocoa based chocolates.
Yes. बट एक्चुअली द थिंग इज दैट ना कि जो सबको दिक्कत आ रही है, जो क्वेश्चंस भी मेरे पास आ रहे हैं, इट्स ऑल अबाउट कि जो डार्क चॉकलेट हम एक्चुअली मार्केट में लाते हैं, मार्केट से जो मार्केटेड प्रोडक्ट जो ब्रांड वाले या बहुत सारी कंपनी उसको डिस्प्ले करती है, तो हाउ मच दे आर डार्क, आई मीन हम कितना रिलेट कर सकते हैं?
See, they are dark chocolate only. They are cocoa based chocolate only. But the problem, it depends upon what type of cocoa it has been used.
Okay.
As I said,
So sir, in simplified way, if you can tell me or if you can tell our audience कि अब इतना तो हम almost नहीं देख रहे कि कोको का percentage है क्या है, so taste wise can you say कि जो dark chocolate एक हमने खानी चाहिए, is it I mean कि बहुत ज्यादा हम उसको कितने quantity में खा सकते हैं, is it bitter or is it sweet, because you have tasted lots of chocolate from all around the world, so
okay,
you can guide on this.
okay. So now let me tell you one thing, Aarti. The bitter chocolate, the chocolates which are bitter, they are the chocolates which contains more cocoa. They contains more cocoa. So bitter chocolate में more cocoa
Yes.
रहता है and milk chocolate में थोड़ा सा कम रहता है. Always do that. Now, if you want, I can share one secret for identifying how much fat is there in the chocolate.
Yes, sir. Please,
Today,
please. We are all. हम सब उससे परेशान हैं actually.
So let me see if audience are interested. That if they are interested, let them put yes in the chat box. Then I can share it.
Yes, we our audience हम सब चॉकलेट खाते हैं, हमको पता होना चाहिए कि हमारे चॉकलेट में कितना फैट कंटेंट है. अगर आप सबको भी जानने की क्यूरियोसिटी है to make our chocolate more healthy, please type yes in the chat box. Please type yes in the comment section. I am looking forward to it. Yes, sir. I can see there that our audience is very much interested to know the things.
See, I'll tell you, जब chocolate में fat content ज़्यादा होता है, तो what is the test? A very very simple test which I would test or which is a secret which I could tell you today is whenever you eat that chocolate, जब तुम वो chocolate खाने के बाद, after some time, if you get more thirsty, आपको जब प्यास ज़्यादा लगती है, अगर आपको प्यास ज़्यादा लगती है तो समझ लेना कि उसमें fat content ज़्यादा था.
Okay, this is the very interesting secret you have shared.
Yes, today I have
अगर ज़्यादा पानी पीने का मन कर रहा है तो बहुत फैट खाया है.
इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा फैट था. So this is because of the Tom Kids and Disha being today. I am just revealing this secret. This is developed by me. If you eat a chocolate and after sometimes you get more thirsty, then you should think that there was a more fat in that. So at least next time you'd be careful.
Okay. And sir, in Disha chocolate basket, we have around 200 chocolates, right? 200 plus.
Yeah, we have got 260 plus varieties of chocolates, Aarti.
Okay, okay, perfectly fine, sir. So, अब बच्चों के लिए तो बहुत सारी बात हो गई, उनके हेल्थ के लिए, उनके दादों के लिए, सब कुछ. So, sir, is there anything कि हम ladies के लिए, हम मम्मी के लिए कुछ है आपके पास, so we also can enjoy chocolate without worry?
That is a fantastic question, Aarti. In fact, I was doing research for this on past 2 years.
Okay.
I was doing a research on past 2 years, a chocolate only for women.
Okay.
A chocolate only for women. So, a lot of people have asked me, why can't we have this chocolate?
Yes.
So I said, I am going to tell you what I have made for, then you can decide whether you want to have it or not. Hope all the ladies in the audience want to know about this chocolate only for women.
Yes, my wonderful ladies, wonderful mommies, please type yes in the chat box because Deepak sir is going to have some gift for us. So please type yes in the chat box क्योंकि बच्चों के पीछे भागने का एनर्जी हमको चाहिए होता है. So we would love to hear from you sir कि हमारे लिए क्या गिफ्ट है चॉकलेट में.
I don't know whether on Facebook my video is getting live. I'm not aware, but I want to show.
Actually not sir. It's your image is paused actually. So
Aarti, can you just what do you call just check, because from my side I am live, but from
screen
your
share.
side,
Okay, just check me once with the thing. So in fact, I'm trying, but
no problem.
Okay. So we're looking forward for something you blessed. To ladies, we are blessed with chocolate. Is it so or not?
Yeah. So friends, I have come up with a chocolate for women because I have studied. See, I believe that women suffer a lot during their menstrual cycle and periods, and for that, I have done a research on that, and I have done 2 years research on that. We have used Ayurvedic herbs, proteins, vitamins, vitamin B1, B2, B6, all the things. And you know what are the 7 things what women suffer during their menstrual cycle are? One is Aarti, because as I am not able to show, if you can if you can tell the audience, that is, one is mood swings, which the women suffer during the menstrual cycle. First one
Yes.
is mood swings. Second, antioxidant. They require antioxidant. Third, they require energy booster. Fourth, they
Yes.
require they face the problem with period cravings. They get a lot
Right.
of.
Absolutely.
Then they have cramps. They get cramp soothner. They require a cramp soothner. And most importantly, last one is bloating. To cover all this team, to overcome all these things, or to overcome or to help in this, in hormonal balance and this thing, Disha chocolate has come with Disha Sakhi periods chocolate. Disha Sakhi periods chocolate. So this is the chocolate which I have come for only for women for 5 days of periods, 5 different chocolates.
That is very, very wonderful thing, sir. Thanks a lot because लड़कियों के इस प्रॉब्लम को अच्छे से रिसर्च करके you have come up with the things. I mean कि ये देख के मुझे और मेरी बाकी सारी friends को, women friends को, maybe all they are feeling the same, that we are really glad that we have these chocolates. So sir, audience से मुझे पहले भी questions आ रहे थे कि where they can have the Disha chocolate.
So see, there is a website called as Disha Chocolate, DEESHA, DEESHA, DishaChocolates.com.
Yes, I'm writing in the chat box only.
Yeah, DishaChocolates.com, DEESHA, DishaChocolates.com, and also it's available in Amazon, Flipkart,
Okay.
Snapdeal.
Okay, perfectly. So from all e-commerce websites, our customers, our viewers can buy the Disha chocolates. There are more than 260 varieties of chocolate. So you can choose any as per your interest, and as per the health benefit, you can choose your chocolate. So sir, one more question I'm having from audience. What is the best time to eat chocolate? Is there anything such related to timing?
What base? Can you repeat it, Aarti?
What would be the best timing to enjoy or to eat the chocolate?
Base?
Timing, maybe daytime, evening. I mean, sometimes we do have craving in the night.
Okay, I got it. It's a good question. Many people eat after the food. Many people
after the food.
After the food, many people try to, as a dessert, they try to eat it.
Yes.
Many people try to eat dessert, or sometimes when you go to gym or when you do walking and come, or when you are tired, you can always have a bite of a nutty based chocolate, which can give you a lot of energy there, which can give you antioxidant, and most importantly, which has got caffeine that will give you a feel good factor.
Okay. Okay, perfect. Sir, one more thing. I mean, since you are you have done the very long time research on the chocolates, So if there are some untold or unseen stories or things about chocolate or some interesting fact about chocolate कि जो जनरली हमको नहीं पता होते हैं जब हम चॉकलेट खरीदते हैं या जब हम चॉकलेट खाते हैं, तो एनीथिंग यू वुड लाइक टू शेयर विद अस?
एक छोटा सा आई विल ट्राई टू टेल यू वन थिंग. पुराने जमाने में, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मेनी
Okay.
सेंचुरीज बैक, कोको बीन्स, जो कोको बीन्स थे, they were so precious. They were so precious. They were used as currency.
Oh.
They were used as currency. They used to be exchanged in dowry.
Oh.
They used to exchange in dowry, and most importantly, when you say currency, everything changes. They used to keep stores. Even kingdoms have exchanged. Kingdoms have exchanged beans.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So
I
that
mean,
is the
this
influence
is
of the
something we
cocoa beans.
cannot imagine.
Yes.
Okay. So, I mean, it's really these chocolate are used as a currency और इतने precious होते थे ये chocolate. So, I mean, this is really something untold और unseen की जिसने शायद बहुत कम लोगों ने सुना है. In fact, I'm coming to know this very first time कि ऐसा कुछ होता है.
If you
So one more question. I mean, being studied कि जैसा मैंने child psychology पढ़ा है बहुत सारा, बच्चों के साथ मैं हमेशा काम करती हूँ. So is there anything, sir, that chocolate changes the behavior or chocolate changes the mood of the person or the kid? और इन अदर वे में पूछना चाहूँ कि अगर कभी कोई गुस्सा हो जाए, कभी किसी को बहुत लड़ाई हो जाए, तो चॉकलेट देके किसी को कुछ कर सकते हैं, शांत कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ है?
So, Aarti, let me give you this answer of yours. If you see the lovers, usually see whenever a boy proposes a girl or a girl proposes a boy, फूल के साथ चॉकलेट पक्का होता है.
Exactly, sir. Exactly.
So
Perfectly.
why?
Perfectly said.
Why? Because girl or boy, whenever they have this chocolate, they have feel good factor, number one, and because
Okay.
it is sweet and tasty, they will never forget that moment.
Okay. Okay.
They will never
That.
forget. So बच्चों को भी देना है ना. बच्चे जब गुस्सा होते हैं, try to give
हाँ.
them good chocolates. What I say is give chocolates, give them good chocolates. They will feel better, they will feel happy, and they will be very active. Believe me, chocolates will make them active because there's an antioxidant in that. Because of caffeine, they'll just make them fresh.
Okay. Okay. Perfectly said. I mean, in short, I can some of these things is as कि अगर chemistry बनाना है, आपस में किसी का instant mood change करना है, तो chocolate आपका एक बहुत अच्छा tool हो सकता है. Is it so?
Absolutely, why not? As I said you also, when even lovers try to do that, तो बच्चों का तो और हक बनता है. You can always give them.
Right. Right. So one more thing, it's always in my mind कि जब भी हम कोई चीज खरीदते हैं, अब तो बात स्पेसिफिकली चॉकलेट की हो गई, तो हम हमेशा ये देखते हैं कि लेबल पे क्या चीजें होनी चाहिए जिससे हम चॉकलेट का सिलेक्शन करते हैं, राइट? So is there anything for rejection of chocolate? I mean, see, as I said, we are not promoting anything or we are not against anything, any brand or any chocolate. बट कोई ऐसा इंग्रेडिएंट है जो रियली बहुत हार्मफुल हो सकता है हमारे लिए, हमारे बच्चों के लिए. सो वन इंग्रेडिएंट और वन थिंग जो अगर मैं लेबल पे देखूं चॉकलेट के, तो मुझे वो रिजेक्ट कर देना चाहिए, चाहे मैं कितना भी टेम्प्ट हो जाऊं.
See, giving due respect to all the manufacturers, what I see is based upon अभी कभी है ना, जिसका समझो किसी को वेट बढ़ाना है, तो उनके लिए फैट चॉकलेट भी अच्छा है, बट किसी को वेट मेंटेन करना है, तो उनके लिए फैट इज नॉट गुड. So it is on either ways of thing. Only thing is try to see where more fat is not there, where more sugar is not there. That's more than enough. Otherwise, there are no ingredients which are allowed to be there in the chocolate. And I'll tell you one more thing. Chocolate is so sensitive. जितना glamorous है, उतना ही sensitive. Because even when you manufacture, 1 degree ऊपर या नीचे हो गया, the taste changes.
Oh. Okay.
Yes, the taste changes.
So this is the challenge, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So it is not so easy to manufacture chocolates.
Okay, that is great. And sir, one very unique product you are come up with, I come to know कि आपके पास एक आपकी बास्केट में चिक्की चॉकलेट है.
Yes.
So that is maybe the modified version. Can you such I mean give some information so हमारे audience को पता चले कि ऐसी भी कोई चीज alternative form उनके लिए available है market में.
तो you can type in the chat box कि कितने लोगों को चिक्की पसंद है. Only चिक्की कितने लोगों को पसंद है. Let us see how many people like चिक्की.
Yes, all my chocolate lovers, can you please type कि how many of you love चिक्की also? So we are waiting for the response.
So Aarti, I'll just tell you, even while they are answering, let me tell you, 100. This is the Chickies one, more than 100 years old product, and believe me, tell me one chicky which doesn't stick to your teeth. Tell me one chicky.
I have not experienced yet, sir, any chicky which is not sticking in my teeth.
So what I have done is, Aarti, I have done research on this chicky. We have come up with a chicky called as Nutty Buddy Chocolate Chicky, where many people use flavor, but I don't use flavor. I use chocolate on that, pure chocolate. So my tagline of the chicky is lovingly sticks to your heart, not to your mouth. Lovingly sticks to your heart, not to your mouth. So my chocolate chicky doesn't stick to your teeth. It is a soft. There is no added sugar in that. Made out of organic jaggery, peanuts, and 7 coating of chocolate on that. So friends, you can enjoy the pure iron protein rich chicky now. Iron and protein rich chocolate chicky, Nutty Buddy chocolate chicky.
Okay, that is wonderful. Satish, it's for you. You like chicky as you said in, and Meenakshi, this is answer to your question as well. Ki no chicky, there is no chicky which stick to the mouth. So this is something I can say the packed with the healthy chicky that Disha chocolates have.
Yes. So same thing is again available on dishachocolates.com or Amazon or Flipkart or Snapdeal. If you go Nutty Buddy chocolate chicky is listed there, you can always buy.
Okay, that is something really very interesting to know about that we have another option of chicky.
Yes.
And yes, so we are glad that Disha Chocolate has so many good options for all of us. And to our audience, I would like to say Disha Chocolate is completely Indian-based company. So that is again something एक satisfactory factor कि जब हम chocolates खरीदते हैं तो इंडिया से खरीदते हैं तो और मजा आता है.
Aarti, here I would like to tell you something.
Yes.
See, Aarti, in fact, I wanted to keep my company name as the Indian ICC. I wanted to keep the company name as ICC, Indian Cricket Team, nahi, Indian Chocolate Company, but it is not allowed. Trademark doesn't come. So my company name is Disha Chocolates, the Indian Chocolate Company.
That sounds very interesting, sir. कि एक Indian company है जो इतने सारे health benefits लेके आ रही है chocolate के लिए. And we are really glad. I'm really glad that you accept my invite and you come up on my talk show because it's all related to kids. So I always look forward कि जितना हो सके हम बच्चों को दें. Because my thing is like कि customization, soft skill, तो chocolate एक बहुत important हिस्सा है हम सबकी life का. So that's why I have initiated this thing.
See, one more thing, Aarti, I would like to suggest here. आपको बच्चों को देना है ना, you can give 5 gram, 6 gram के chocolates देते जाओ. Every half an hour, 1 hour, you can give them.
Okay, wow. So ये तो सर आपने बच्चों के लिए एक Can you repeat sir it once for the kids? All they are online.
See, kids, you can give them 5 to 6 gram के जो chocolate आते हैं, उनको देते जाओ. Try to give them. There is no harm in giving them the pure cocoa based chocolate or the flavored chocolate like mango, orange, strawberry, hazelnut. Hazelnut hai. You got coffee based chocolate. You got cranberry chocolates. You got so many because my video is not live. Otherwise, I would have shown it. I have made a chocolate for kids which is called Choco Box, which contains all assorted types of chocolates, which has got 25 chocolates in a box. all
wow.
are 5 to 6 ग्राम चॉकलेट्स. आप दो
Oh, wow.
इनको, तो बच्चों को दिन में 3-4 भी दिए तो there is no problem. 5, 6, 7, 8 you give, there is no problem.
Okay.
So these are the things what I would like to say.
Okay,
And
so I mean कि बच्चों के लिए एक अच्छा खासा पार्टी हो गया आपके चॉकलेट बॉक्स से, right sir?
100%. And also you'll not believe, Aarti, this year what we have come past
So
4 years, what I say is, instead of bursting crackers, instead of bursting crackers and polluting the country, we have come up with eco-friendly cracker-shaped chocolates. This I am doing past 4 years.
oh,
Eco-friendly
wow.
cracker-shaped chocolates.
Okay, so I mean yes, audience, yes, kids जो सारे हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं कि दिवाली के लिए एक दिशा चॉकलेट से हमारे लिए और एक बहुत अच्छा गिफ्ट है, that are cracker chocolates and that are all healthy or quality based. So you can look forward to buy it from the Disha Chocolate website.
So let me clarify. Cracker chocolate means they are cracker-shaped chocolates. They are all cracker-shaped chocolates.
Okay, so we can enjoy eating the crackers in the form of chocolate, right?
Yes, yes.
So it's not for kids also, it's for all us.
Yes,
सबके लिए है, right sir? बड़ों के लिए भी है.
सबके लिए, because that contains orange chocolates, that contains dry fruit chocolates, that contains multi-flavored chocolates. So there are, we are trying to cover most of them.
Okay, okay. So मुझे बहुत सारे chat box में sir response आ रहे हैं कि very informative session. Everybody would like to thank you. So before sum up, I would like to appeal. I mean कि because you are you have experienced from years together chocolate का. आपने chocolate में काम किया है, आपने chocolates खाए हैं बहुत सारे. So आपने ये तो बताया sir, I mean कि हम बच्चों को chocolate दे सकते हैं. बट मैं ये भी चाहूंगी कि टू बी ऑन मदर साइड मोर कि एक कोई ऐसी बात जहाँ पे बच्चों को सोचना है चॉकलेट के लिए, तो अगर आप खुद बच्चों को बता देंगे तो शायद बच्चे बहुत अच्छे से सुनेंगे इस चीज को.
Can you repeat, Aarti, once again?
Like you said कि हम बच्चों को चॉकलेट दे सकते हैं in between, right?
Yes.
But our kids are they are never ending demand of the chocolates. उनकी डिमांड कभी खत्म नहीं होती है सर चॉकलेट्स की, right? कि I mean हम 5 भी दे दे तो at the end of the day the demand for one more. और अभी आपने ग्रीन सिग्नल दे दिया है थोड़ा सा कि आप बच्चों को दिन में इतने बार I mean दे सकते हो इंटरवल्स में. सो बच्चों को भी ये समझना है कि उनको कितना खाना है. तो अब एक मम्मी की साइड आप ले लो थोड़ा सा और आप एक बच्चों को ये बता दो कि उनको कितना खाना है. I mean कि अगेन कि हाउ मच इज टू मच, ये स्पेसिफिकली आप बच्चों को बताओ तो बच्चे समझेंगे इस बात को.
Okay, kids. Kids, now I would like to tell you something. देखो आप लोग चॉकलेट खाना चाहिए. फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट शुगर कैंडीज, कैरमल बेस्ड चॉकलेट्स को अवॉइड करो. कोको बेस्ड चॉकलेट खाओ. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, कोको बेस्ड चॉकलेट में शुगर कम होता है, एनर्जी ज्यादा होती है, नट बेस्ड रहता है जिसमें एंटीऑक्सीडेंट ज्यादा होता है, दिमाग की बत्ती चलती है, आप मजा कर सकते हो. सो ट्राई टू ईट इन डिफरेंट इंटरवल्स. एक साथ मत खाना, एक साथ मत खाना. तुमको छोटा भीम भी बनना है या डोरेमोन भी बनना है तो डोंट ईट एट अ टाइम. ट्राई टू ईट आफ्टर इंटरवल्स, which mother also will be happy to give you and you also will be happy. तुम एक बार खाओगे 15 मिनट में, अगर 5 चॉकलेट खा जाओगे तो 2 घंटे के बाद क्या खाओगे? So better every half an hour or 1 hour you can eat one chocolate and ask to the mummy. Your mom also will be happy to give you and you also will enjoy.
ओके सर, सो ये मेरे क्वेश्चन का I mean जो मैं इनिशियली कब से मैं वेट कर रही थी कि ये आपने एक बीच में का सॉल्यूशन, बीच में का फॉर्मूला हमको दे दिया कि जिससे मम्मी भी खुश है इंटरवल के बाद देने में और बच्चे भी एग्री करेंगे. बिकॉज ये बहुत बार होता है कि जब एक बड़ा बार लेके आते हैं चॉकलेट का तो किड्स वांट टू ईट एट वंस ओनली. तो आई मीन कि ये सारे बच्चों के लिए एक हो गया, एक मैसेज हो गया एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि बच्चे इसको सुनेंगे.
Right.
सर आई वुड लाइक यू टू कि थोड़ा सा एक लाइटन की जो हमारे ऑडियंस लेट ज्वाइन किए सबके लिए कि जो आपका सिविलाइजेशन ऑफ चॉकलेट का बुक है उसके बारे में आप थोड़ा सा अगर प्लीज से आपको बता देंगे तो पीपल वुड लाइक टू रीड इट एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू हैव इट मोर एडिशंस.
Okay. Aarti, my book name is called as Chocolate Civilization. The name of the book is Chocolate Civilization. मैंने क्यों civilization रखा? Because it's a big era. 4,000 years history of chocolate I have covered in that book. अगर आपको चॉकलेट के बारे में जानना है, कहाँ से आया, किधर से आया, कैसे आया, इंडिया में कब आया, अमेरिका में कब आया, यूएस में कब आया, यू ऑल इंफॉर्मेशन इज देयर। और चॉकलेट में क्या क्या स्टोरीज थे, where they were exchange, they made it as currency, where they made it as energy drinks, where they used as medicinal drinks, everything I have covered. It is available on Amazon. आप अगर Amazon पे जाओगे, या तो मेरा नाम टाइप करना दीपक तोष्णीवाल, और you can type as chocolate civilization. Chocolate civilization. If you type in that in Amazon, then you will get that book. You can purchase it. You can bring it outside online and read, or otherwise if you are a member of a Kindle, you can read it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So yes, this is one from Disha Chocolates for my all chocolate lovers कि चॉकलेट खाना पसंद है, और मेरे जैसे बुक लवर को शायद ये बुक भी बहुत पसंद आएगी, जिनको चॉकलेट के बारे में और जानना है। और जैसा दीपक सर ने बोला कि ही इज कमिंग अप विद मोर information on chocolates with the series, right sir? Series of
Yes,
book maybe.
I'm coming up. I'm writing on the books also, and there will be a lot of talk shows which are coming up, where I'll try to share my experience and knowledge with each and everybody, so that it helps for everybody about the chocolates.
Okay, okay. So, sir, I guess it's a really wonderful session. I'm really glad that you accept invite and you are here with Tom Kids. So, this is a quite successful, quite informative session of Tom Kids in association with Disha Chocolates. So, yes, all of us are typing. Chocolate lovers are very much satisfied with the information we are having. So in sum कि the viewers who are joined late, एक sum up में मैं बता देती हूँ कि चॉकलेट कहाँ से शुरू हुआ, कौन सा चॉकलेट हेल्दी है, चॉकलेट फ्रूट से आया, चॉकलेट बच्चों को कितना देना है, एवरीथिंग वी कवर्ड इन द टॉक शो। और इसके अलावा भी अगर आपको कोई भी पूछना है तो यू गो टू द टॉम किड्स पेज, वहाँ सारी इंफॉर्मेशन है, तो आप कभी भी पूछ सकते हो। एंड आई गेस दीपक सर यू आर ऑलवेज हैप्पी टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस, राइट?
Anytime I would like to, it's my pleasure to answer, and that is the research whatever I have done, I can share the knowledge there. So Aarti, I would not end, but I would like to conclude this episode by one shairi.
Yes sir, please, please.
नजर को बदलो, नजर को बदलो, नजारे बदल जाएंगे, नजर को बदलो, नजारे बदल जाएंगे, सोच को बदलो, सितारे बदल जाएंगे, सोच को सितारे बदल जाएंगे, मंजिलें बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है दोस्तों, मंजिलें बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है दोस्तों। दिशा चॉकलेट से जुड़ जाओ, मंजिलें अपने आप मिल जाएगी। दिशा चॉकलेट्स और टॉप किड्स से जुड़ जाओ, मंजिलें अपने आप मिल जाएंगी, मंजिलें अपने आप मिल जाएंगी, मंजिलें अपने आप मिल जाएंगी।
Very, very well, sir. A very big thanks to you with all my audience, and they are really like the session you are having with the Tom Kids. So yes, to all my audience, we are not sum up. I mean, we have time limitations. Sir ने हमारे लिए इतना time निकाला. I'm really thankful to sir, and I'm really thankful to all my chocolate lovers कि जो अपना time निकाल के अपने tea time के साथ हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं. So for anything you would like to know about chocolate, you can go to Disha Chocolate website. And as Tom Kids is all about customized development of kids, we have so many courses. So अगर कहीं भी बच्चों की कुछ भी परेशानी है, तो you can always log into my Tom Kids page. All contact information are there. So in sum up with this, so I would like to take a leave. Yes, sir. Anything you would like to say to my audience, sir?
कुछ नहीं, हम फिर मिलेंगे वापस चॉकलेट के साथ, हम जरूर मिलेंगे। And always let's be in touch and let's be always get connected. And thank you so much.
Yes, and जो ऑडियंस आज हमारे साथ नहीं जुड़ पाए, लेट मी क्लियर कि जिनको और ये सेशन भी देखना है कि एज यू नो टॉम किड्स का अपना ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल है, that is Tom Kids RC. So you can go there, you can subscribe, and you can have wonderful videos there related to kids, related to parenting, related to activities, and some recipes even. So thank you all. Thank you, Deepak sir. आपने time निकाला. Thank you all audience. So we take a leave. Have a happy, healthy Diwali, and you can enjoy your Diwali with crackers chocolate that are given by Disha Chocolate.
Yes, and happy Diwali to all. Enjoy everything, and let's be connected. Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you all. Thank you all. Bye bye. Thanks a lot.